fall over? First it fell over.
Oh.
Get it, Kitty. Yeah!
Bam. Oh. Fail.
Sorry. I have to understand how it works. I'm gonna hit you.
Sal's so passive with it, and all of the rest of us have been like kicking and swinging our arms like banshees. Sal's like, okay, one
Oh,
arm.
that's me. Oh, sorry.
That's hilarious.
I can't hit anything. How did I fall?
I'm telling you, I swear to God.
Oh, I see. When you hit the target, you get more balls.
So bad.
Be awesome.
That would be awesome.
What? What?
Hard. It's gonna hit me.
This is seriously like a great way to lose weight, I think. Like I'm like sweating.
I don't know.